Hello, class. Again, this is me. My name is Joseph AGKRG. I'm gonna keep you company again these few minutes. Today, the topic of our discussion will be the measures of central tendency for ungroup data. In my previous lecture, I explained how to do that or to calculate these measures using the old school methods, the calculator method. Today, I'm gonna show you how to do the same thing using Excel. Excel simplifies the work, make it easy and fun. Okay. All right, let's start. I'm going to share my screen so you can see it. Measures of central tendency. These measures are used to describe the center point of a distribution. The mean gives us the average of the distribution. Median gives us the number at the middle value of the distribution. The mode gives us the value that have the highest frequency. A mid-range, a rough estimate of the middle value. Okay. Now, like I say, if you use a calculator, it takes you a longer time to calculate these values. But with Excel, it's fun. It is make it very easy. All right, look at the set of numbers we have here. And we're asked to find the mean, median, mode, and mid-range. So what you have to do is this. First thing you need to know is this. When you want to use Excel to do a work of this type, the first thing to do is to put that cell where you want to get your answers in a ready mode by putting an equal sign. See, once the equal sign is there, that cell is ready to do some work. So with this, now we can calculate the mean. The average, okay, because then you highlight all here, all the way to the last number, okay? Then you close your parentheses. Now it says C13 to C33. Why? Because this is column C, okay? This is column C. Okay, and this is also, we started from rule 13 to rule 33. So that's why it is showing C colon C33. Okay, now enter key. If you press the enter key, to give you the answer right away. Okay, let me see what happened here. Good. Okay, once you press the enter key, to give you the answer right there. So the median, you can have it here. Put the equal sign again and type median. Okay, put opening parentheses. Again, we go from the beginning, highlight all the way to the last one. Okay, that's it right here. Close it and press the enter key. See, it's 5.2. The mode, type mode, put the equal sign, type mode. And then from here, you start from the beginning, all the way to the last one. Okay. I close it, enter key. See, that's the mode. Now, mid-range. Mid-range is the rough estimate of the middle value. Mid-range. So what there's other ways you can use to use the other method you can use to get the mid-range. But the easy one is this. Put the numbers in order. Pick the largest number there and the smallest number, and then divide the answer by 2. So you add them. So what I'll do is this. I'm gonna arrange it from largest to smallest. By doing what? I'm gonna highlight all of it here. See? Now I can sort it out. See, sort. Smallest to largest. See? I click on that. It will bring me this dialog box. Says, you want to expand the selection? No. I'm going to continue with the current selection. And then I sort. See, the smallest is this, and the largest is this. So that mid-range is equal. I put parentheses. The smallest number is 9.98. Click on that. Plus, see, put the plus sign. Largest number is 807. Close it, and then divide by 2. And that will give you your answer right away. Once you press the enter key, the answer pops out. See, It's fun. So I make it fun. And at any particular point in time, if you want to know what formula you used, right click, double click on each answer to give you it will bring up the formula. For example, if I want to see the answer I use, the formula I use to find the mean, I double click here. See, it give me the formula right now. I want to see the formula I use for the mid-range, I double click on it. So that's it. I'm sure you enjoy my lecture and thank you for listening. And I will see you in my next lecture. Bye-bye. Yeah.